Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread donuts using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of warm milk. Don't forget 1 large egg, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and a half teaspoon of salt. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, and yeast. Gradually add the warm milk, melted butter, and egg. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic dough that springs back when gently poked. This step is crucial for a light and airy donut. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 2 hours. It should double in size, indicating the yeast is working its magic. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different-sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. This yields about 12 to 15 donuts. The exciting part is next. Frying. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few donuts into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon and drain on a wire rack. While still warm, dip them in your favorite glaze or toss them in cinnamon sugar for a delicious finish. Enjoy your homemade bread donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.